Hello everyone, welcome to the Brio train.
Oh, you got a Brio train, yeah? We are going to unboxing the Brio train, yeah? Look, see, turn around first, Jens.
This is 3,000.
Oh, 3,000, that is 3 plus, called 3 plus. Means for 3 years old, because Maximus is 3 years old, yeah?
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Brio train.
Oh, you got a Brio train, yeah? We are going to unboxing the Brio train, yeah? Look, see, turn around first, Jens.
This is 3,000.
Oh, 3,000, that is 3 plus, called 3 plus. Means for 3 years old, because Maximus is 3 years old, yeah?
So back in there.
See the front bit then, to the camera then, see the front bit.
Yeah.
See like this. Oh, like that. We'll take a picture first, yeah? Where's Maximus then? See Maximus? Where's Maximus? Up a bit then. Can I see Maximus? That's it. Wait a minute. Ready? Wait, take picture first.
Mummy, he got a jumper.
Is it?
Yes.
Get what? Ready? Hey, look at Mummy first. Wow, look at that. Look at Mummy first.
Look that.
Not like that. Turn around. That's it. Oh, 1 minute. Turn one up. And now smile then. Smile.
Like that.
Hey, smile first then.
Like that.
Is it? Okay.
Smile.
Okay, now see Maximus. A bit up then.
Smile. Now we can open the tray there.
Yeah,
So
you
you've
can
got a jumper inside.
Yeah, you can open it now. Need some
You've
help?
got the scissors. Look like.
Okay, Mummy help you.
Okay. Mummy, it
Yes.
looks like the thingies on there.
Is it?
It looks like the stickers on there. Ah,
Yeah, what is inside? That's for the camera.
you can see a train track.
Oh, train track again. You got so many train track. Oh. This one not Brio, it's Hape. It called Hape. Kind of Brio, but it's Hape, yeah.
Let's see, you've got a train.
What is inside?
Hey, look!
Oh,
It's got a train.
oh, it's a crane, Max, yeah?
Hey! It looks
It's
like a
a
restaurant.
crossing
And then it's
crane
in
set, yeah?
Looks
Whoa.
like the doolies
Hey.
is in there.
Hmm? Oh, Julie, yeah? Whoa, this look like that.
These
See what you got then. See what you got. See the camera then.
I got a dooley.
Yeah, you got Julie. Whoa, Julie. And
They
then
got semi dooley like that.
what else then? What else you got then? Let's see, open this one. You got this one, yeah? Shall we open this one?
Yeah.
Yes, shall we?
I can see these ones look like
Oh, look at that. What's that?
the crane.
Open it then. Show the camera then what you
Look
got.
like the dumpers in there.
Ooh, look like a dump. Oh, wow. That's cool, isn't
The
it?
things on there.
Wow.
So these are the closets. Ah, look.
What's that?
It looks like a thing. Let's show.
Ooh, that's a, what's that, Max? What's that calling it, Max? Ooh, it's like a crane, this one. Yeah, that crane, wow.
Upside down. It's the
This
dumper.
crane. Can you do lifting, this one?
Yeah, lifting trip.
How are you lifting thing then?
And then this one's fun. Really nice and stuff.
Whoa, what you got again? Oh, that's a train. Oh, that is train. Oh. Choo. It's Hape, yeah?
One box.
And then they got Julie. What's it, Julie? The
Two
Julie.
box.
Barrier, yeah?
It's not a noisy one, really.
But one needs to be like that.
It's not a noisy.
Open the Julie, the Max.
Hey, into
Oh,
another
put it like
track.
that.
Into the plastic bag.
Julie, to stop the car, yeah, this one. Julie, yeah. Oh, and another track. Whoa, some track here to go for it.
Please.
And then what's another one that in the plastic bag then? Oh, so many tracks, isn't it? Wow, so many.
Hello.
This is a train track.
Train track, wow.
Oh, there's still there.
Yeah, oh, that's all it is, isn't it? Oh, stop. Oh, red stop. Is that a red stop?
Yeah.
Bingo.
This is a red stop.
It's a red stop. And what else is on? Oh, it's a train. There's the sign of the train, Max. Yeah? Wow, you got so many.
Hey, you can press it.
Is it? Oh, nice, isn't it? Wow. Oh, press it. Wow, it's cool, isn't it, Max? How many you got?
Ah, train track.
Mm.
He's got his train.
Hello, Maxie. Oh, grumpy.
He's serious in the new toys, isn't he, Max? Yeah? Max, do you like it?
Yeah.
How many tutu you got then?
1, 2. This is a dumper. A 2, a 4 box train.
Oh, is it? Oh, so 4 train, yeah? And then, and a crane, yeah? And a crane and the julid.
A red stop.
And the julid, yeah? Julid, what's the julid called? Julid is crossing, for crossing, yeah? Crossing train set. It's a crossing. That was that, the red stop, yeah? Red light. Julid is called crossing.
And then these tracks.
Yeah.
are fun.
What is that for then, Max? What's the julid for?
This is a Brio.
Is that brio? Is a hape. Hape. How you do the crane then? So the crane then like this?
Hence the
So
train.
like that then? Do this one, Max.
Hence the train.
Do this one then?
Like a Brio train.
Like that. Try this one. Turn. Oh, there. Pull it then. Hold the bar first. Hold the wood. Whoa, lifting up, yeah? Wow, it's a crane, yeah?
This is train like that. Oops. These are the trains. Look.
Yeah?
These are. Go up.
Whoa. Yeah, can you do it?
And come back.
Let's go left. Oh, this
This
way.
is
Oh, got it there. Now, right. Go to right. Oh, yeah. And the lorry then, let's get the lorry first. Oh, I need to put in the lorry, moving bit to the lorry then. Yeah? Is that lorry stick each other or not? Is that lorry stick each other? Let's try then. Is it like a choo-choo or not? Is it the lorry same? Is the lorry stick like that? Like a choo-choo or not? Whoa, like that, yeah? Oh, I don't like it, yeah. Can you turn?
I don't.
Try that one?
I like this one. Not,
Oh, that
not
one?
these ones. These ones.
Okay, the other one? Okay. Put it there.
Beep beep.
Put it together then, like a choo-choo, then make a choo-choo then from that one.
Look what the train is started.
Oh, that looks like a train. That's a train, yeah. This one also a train.
Hey, look like
It's
this.
a train with the trailer like that, yeah. So that one and then that one can go. Oh, yes, yeah. Whoa, loading, isn't it, Max? Wow. That's cool, isn't it?
Like the small magnet.
Yeah, I need to build a truck on it and then we make it, yeah, like that. Yeah.
This is.
Mm. Yes, isn't it? That's right, yeah.
Hey, is orange.
It's Hape. Hape is same like Brio, yeah?
So it's a real track.
Mm.
Under there, he can go under there.
Yeah.
He can.
Is it?
He can. He can go under like that. Hey, there's the window. Look like the window. Right, left. These go. Look like this way. This way. And then look like
Oh, try the choo-choo then. The rest of the here then. The rest of the nearby the choo-choo. There's a bit Julie here. Stop here.
this way. The bit stop is hard down. Look
Yeah,
like
try them. Try the indoor.
this way.
Try them, yeah? Done? You go that way, yeah? Oh, it look like a tunnel, that crane, isn't it?
This is a bit.
Yeah.
These are the car look like.
Ding, 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 ding. What's the noise then?
I like that one. These ones better.
Yeah. Put it
Look
together
like-
then. Put it all together then.
Same like that.
Put it all together then.
And then these are.
Mm.
There he is. This is alright.
Yeah. Move it then. Move the train then. Nino, Nino. Is it Nina, Nina or no? Yeah, move it then. Do you like it or not, Max?
And there.
Do you like it?
The box is there.
Do you like it or not?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say bye-bye, everyone. Maximus going to play with the choo-choo first, yeah? Don't...
Made it in the choo-choo.
Yeah.
It's the room. It's look like the trains look like.
Is it? It look like a dumper train.
Look, it's up
Oh, it's up and down.
and down.
Is it?
And then the jumpers just came back at this one.
Like, say come on, bye-bye, everyone then.
Look like the train stopped there.
Hey, say bye-bye, everyone. Don't forget
Bye-bye.
to like
Can comment,
and subs.
subscribe,
Yes. Salam.
subscribe.
Yeah. Bye-bye then. Kiss bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss bye first then.
Bye-bye.
Kiss bye then. Again then. Ah, good boy.
You can play
Bye.
in the room.
We can play in the room, yeah, shall we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Bye.
He's stuck.
Oh, it's not. It's alright.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's that?
It's quite falling down on the floor.
Oh,
Stuck on the
it's just
Julie.
stuck. So many Julie, too many Julie
That
Max.
Julie shouldn't be in there, that's why.
Shouldn't put so many Julie Max. Whoa. Go with the choo-choo then. Oh, choo-choo.
Have you seen the trees being cut down in the back, Max?
Not yet, no, I didn't see it.
The
Two,
tree
the
stuff.
two trees on the lawn have been cut down. Have you seen them?
Pull it then, Max. Turn it around, turn it. Turn it right or left. Is it nice?